In today's tutorial, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can delete a page in Google Docs. For the purpose of this particular tutorial, I will be using this particular document for my illustration. There are two ways you can delete a page in Google Docs. The first option is to use the backspace on your keyboard, and then you can also use the control key. You can hold a control key and then you press the backspace on your keyboard. It's going to delete that for you. So let's start with hitting the backspace on our keyboard. So for instance, we have this page here, this blank empty page. We don't want it over there, so we want to delete it. Make sure you put your cursor at where the text is beginning and then you hit the backspace, and then it's going to delete that particular page and fill the rest of the pages with your text or pictures or whatever you have over there. With the second method, you put your cursor at where the text is, the beginning of the text, whether it's an image or anything at all that you have in your document. You put your cursor at the beginning, okay, and then you hit the control key on your keyboard and then you press the backspace on your keyboard, okay, and then it's going to delete it. If that doesn't work, you can hold the shift key on your keyboard and press the backspace. So let's illustrate that one more time. So there are instances whereby the control plus the backspace on the keyboard works for some laptops and it doesn't work for some laptops. So what you can do is that if yours is not working, you can press the shift key on your keyboard and then you hit the backspace on your keyboard and it's going to work perfectly for you. So this is how you delete a page in Google Docs. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I will respond to them. And make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on future tutorials.